I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match.
What? Sorry about the loud noise. I gotta adjust my mic. I forgot to adjust my mic. So, what's up, guys? 360 here. But turn it off too. I'm talking really fast for some reason. Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Adobe Photoshop CS6. I recently did a video. Well, not recently. I did a video a while back. Like a couple months ago. I was showing you how to get Adobe Photoshop for free. And that's the Photoshop we're going to be using. And I just sprayed my mouse pad with a vanilla perfume. That smells really good. And it's also kind of wet. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to download Photoshop. Well, you got to watch my video. I'll leave a link in the description for my other video. You want to open the appliance. You have to watch my other video to know how to get Adobe Photoshop CS6 for free. So once you open the appliance, you want to click New. You just want to name it. I'm just going to keep it that. And you want to name width and then height. So I'm going to do, I like to do 1920 by 1080. The recommended size is 1280 by 720p, I think. I think so it is, I don't know. But I recommend using 1920 by 1080. Resolution 72. I'm just going to leave all this the same. I'm going to keep a transparent background. And then, okay. There it is, okay. So here it is. So what you want to do is you want to go to Google. I should have kept my web browser open. And you want to search Fortnite background 1920 x 1080. Anyway, excuse me. Then you want to click images. You want to choose one that looks appealing to you. I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to go with this background because it looks cool and it's 1920 by 1080. This is down here. No, I don't want to click on it. You're going to copy the image. You're going to click edit and you want to click paste. And here's the image. Next, what you want to do is you want to go into Google Images again. And you want to type whatever skin you want, like Fortnite. I'm going to do Fortnite Raven PNG. You want to have PNG Fortnite and then the skin name and then PNG at the end. So, and then click images again. And then I'm going to pick this one. This one is PNG. It should have a little checkers thing in the back to show you it's PNG. So I'm going to, actually you're going to have to save the image this time. I'm going to save it to my desktop. PNG image, it should say PNG image as well. And feature PNG, okay. So then you want to click on file and you want to click place. And something should pop up right here. You want to go to your desktop or wherever you saved it at least. So I gotta find it. Featured PNG. Place. Here it is, okay. So then what you want to do is you want to click on this tool and you're going to click place. Then you're going to move it over here. And then you want to click on edit, transform, transform. Oh god damn it! Transform. Flip horizontally. I recommend putting it on this side because it's my favorite. Because it's just really cool to look at on that side. Okay, so there. Okay, so then what you want to do is you want to add your text. So what you want? Oh crap. So what you want to do is you want to click on the text tool right here. And then where you want to click, you click where you want to place it, and then I want to type it. Oh, and first, before you type it, I'll leave the link in the description for this font. You want to search, you want to download Luckiest Guy font. You can download it from anywhere, 1001 fonts, from Google Fonts, Font Squirrel, the font meme. Yeah. I'll leave the link in the description for the font. So once you have that installed, you want to type what you want to do. So I'm going to do Fortnite. I recommend putting it at 200 for the pixel, for the size. So Fortnite thumbnail how to. So here we go. And then I'm going to put it right here. Fortnite thumbnail how to. And then when you go to, I forgot, right click, you want to right click and click blending options. Then you want to go to color, no not color overlay, but graduate overlay. So you want to click on this color, and then click on this, and then change that color to the two colors that your skin mostly is. So mine's purple and black. Like if you're going Skull Trooper, the OG one, you're gonna need green and black. So yeah, purple, really dark purple. Okay, and black. Okay, and click OK, and then click OK here. Oh, that sucks. I didn't actually change it. So I'm going to redo it again. Delete that layer. So you're going to highlight it first. You're going to go to color. Actually, no, you're going to go highlight it, right click, and right click on it. Blending options. Oh no, I think I have to, you're gonna have to change the option first before you, crap. So you're gonna add it, I forgot how to do this, crap. So you're gonna add a text. I'm just gonna add a text. Fortnite thumbnail how to. Blending options. Graduate overlay. Do purple, really dark purple. Like a really dark purple. Really dark purple here. Okay. Over here we're gonna do color and black. Okay. Then okay. And then okay. And there we go. Here it is. You have your Fortnite thumbnail how-to. Here's my Fortnite thumbnail how-to. That is how you make your thumbnail. It's very simple, actually. But if you add like arrows and stuff, you can do that. You can do whatever. You can add whatever. But this is just a simple one. This is just a simple how-to. Just a simple Fortnite thumbnail. And you want to click on File, Save As. I'm gonna save it to my desktop. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it as a Fortnite thumbnail. How to thumbnail. I'm gonna change it to PNG because I like PNG, and save it to my desktop. I recommend you clicking the compression is smallest, or if you wanted to go fast, you can click none. But I'm gonna do fast. But I sometimes recommend smallest because I think it actually makes the quality better. So I'm just gonna do fast. I think it already saved. Yep, here it is. So that's how quick it does. It usually takes like 30 seconds to normal one, the slow one. It doesn't take that long, but if you're wondering how to add your thumbnail to your video, you want to go to Google Chrome. You want to go to your web browser, type in youtube.com. Go to youtube.com. You're gonna go here. You're gonna click on YouTube Studio Beta. And I want to click on videos. I'm gonna scroll down to an old video so nobody sees it. Like move videos for a while. Let's do that. So I'm gonna click on this option, edit title and description. Oh no, that's not it. You're gonna click on it. You're gonna wait for this to pop up. And then you're gonna click on custom thumbnail 2 megabytes or less. You're gonna select your thumbnail, which I'm gonna go to my desktop. This will be here. Okay, how big is the file though? See? Crap! Okay, if your file size is bigger than 2 megabytes, what you want to do is you want to get your phone. Usually this works if the file is bigger than 2 megabytes. You're going to grab your phone, you're going to plug it into your computer. Like that. You're going to go to your file manager. See, I see my LGK30 there. I'm going to copy this. You're going to copy your image. You're going to go to LGK30, your phone. Why does it say this folder's empty? Hold on. Do I have it on phone? Oh, hold on. Doesn't say anything. Okay, it's just set on charging. So you want to go into your phone and set it. Use USB connection for file transfer, and then click always. And then you're gonna go back in File Manager, and go to LGK30 internal storage. And then you're just gonna paste it right in there, right there. It's PNG image. Then you're gonna close it, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm on my phone now. recording. So what you want to do is you want to download the YouTube Studio app. It's right here. I'll leave the link in the description to download it too. And what you want to do is you want to open the appliance. You want to go into your actual channel itself. And go to videos. Scroll down and find your video you want to edit. You want to do. Mine is mobile videos for a while. You're going to click the pencil. And you're going to click edit thumbnail. And then you're going to click custom thumbnail. And we're just going to pop this up. And then you want to click on your image. And click select. And you're going to click save. And that's saved. So I'll be right back. I'm going to show you on the computer that it actually works. Okay, so I'm back on my computer. So if you go here and refresh it, you should refresh it, and there it is. There's your thumbnail. It's all working and everything. So yeah, that's how you make that's how you make your YouTube thumbnail on Photoshop CS6. So yeah, until next time, peace.